Welcome to this session on adding a custom item to the app launcher. So there's a couple I've added here, school and business, and then just URL links to a particular link that I've decided is important enough to go onto this app launcher. So they're just custom links and easy, quick to navigate to. And these ones I've added some background images, so I've added a cloud image in the background, and I'll show you how to do that as well. So we'll start off by creating a SharePoint picture library to store the icon that we want in the background. So I've put in a cloud icon on my image. So I'm just going to create a new app and a picture library. So I'm just going to create a picture library to hold that background image for the link. Okay, so we've got this one here, and I'm just going to drop my link into here so we've got a place to store that image. So back in Photoshop, I've got this image here, and I've just added a colour overlay of white. So it's a white image on a transparent background, which the colour from the tile appear through the back of it. So I'm going to save it for the web, so it's optimised. I'm going to save it as a PNG with a transparent background. So that just means that we get that transparency, and that colour that the tiles got just shows through behind that image. So if we go back to our document library and we just drag that new icon we've created into that library, that will upload it. And to get the URL of that image, all we do is we click on the image, click on the preview of that again, and you'll get the actual URL bar appearing with that URL of that specific image. So what I do here is all I do is just copy and paste that URL bar. So I'll just drag that down there and copy that. So back in the admin interface, you just go to edit with your organisation name in the top right corner, and you'll see that you can add custom tiles. So you go to custom tiles, click the add button, and then you just fill in the form. So you fill in the details, things like the name of it, where you want it to link to, and right at the bottom there you've got the image link as well. So the image link is the link that we've actually just copied. So we just go paste that link in there, so we've got the cloud in the background of that tile. When you're typing in URLs, make sure you put HTTP or HTTPS in front. So I'll just add that back in there. So when you save this tile, you'll see an extra one appears in that drop down there. When you go to the app launcher, it still doesn't appear in the app launcher. You need to add it to the app launcher from the My Apps section at the bottom. So click on that, and then you'll see your new tile there, and on the menu there you can then pin it onto the app launcher. So once it's been pinned on, instantly it should appear. On the app launcher. There it is at the bottom right. You have to understand that these links can be quite temperamental. They don't always appear, especially the background image on there. And it only applies to your user, it doesn't apply to the whole organisation. So hopefully Microsoft will introduce that functionality in the near future, so you can actually add it for everybody in your organisation straight onto the app launch without having to go through to the My Apps individually for each person.